Welcome back to the channel. The name of the channel is CAD with Mr. Yu. In today's video, we'll be looking at who is a CAD engineer. Who is a CAD engineer? Working with computer-aided design software, the CAD engineer produces design solutions for buildings, machines, product design, aerospace engineering, and automobiles. However, this highly trained professional specializing specializes in one of the above mentioned specializations, and he also specializes in software programs such as AutoCAD. So there are different types of drawing software on the market, and one of them that he could specialize in would be AutoCAD, for example. He can also specialize in the three-dimensional or two-dimensional designs if he works in a large design company like a aircraft design company. But he can work in both, meaning both 2D and 3D if the company is not very large, like an aircraft design company. So this company would be a medium size or a small company, and he would be able to do both the 2D design and the 3D design. Surface modeling is also known as 2D modeling, while solid modeling is referred to as 3D modeling, okay? The job responsibilities for a CAD engineer include making on your computer precise designs, converting the designs into complete specification of the design requirement, then participating in a client or management part presentation of your design solution. What are the requirements for a CAD engineer? A bachelor's degree in CAD design, engineering, computer sciences, or a related field, for example, architecture, are one of the requirements for the qualifications for the CAD engineer. However, you can become a CAD engineer without pursuing a 4-year degree. This is possible because some companies have an apprenticeship program that enable you to acquire the experience to become a CAD engineer. You should, however, do some post high school level courses to enhance your skills in CAD. Courses such as computers, CAD, and fundamental engineering concepts are good training possibilities for an aspiring CAD engineer. You must have good skills in critical thinking and have a knack for converting the customer's needs into the end design, that is a final design solution. Will you have a good career as a CAD engineer? If you're passionate about design, solving problems, and interested in technology, a CAD engineer profession can be an excellent option for you. A company specializing in building design or all types of engineering or manufacturing or product development can utilize CAD software to make electronic models and printouts such as blueprints showing the detailed designs, relying heavily on the expertise of CAD engineers. If you are looking for a profession with good pay and job security, then a career in CAD engineering is a good option for you. Is a designer and a CAD engineer the same job functions? Well, the main role of a CAD engineer is to make precise drawings, workflow diagrams, and modeling of products or buildings in a three-dimensional representational form using CAD software. While a designer may likely have a greater original thinking scope, focusing on the design appearance, user acceptance, and the total design concept of a building space or manufacturing product. Do you need a degree to work in a CAD environment? No. You can work in the CAD specialization without formal university training at the bachelor's level. You can become proficient in CAD by individual study, distant courses, and on the job training. And while some companies prefer individuals with an engineering or architecture degree, since their training will provide a solid foundation for computer aided design, it is possible to become a successful professional as a CAD engineer. Fields such as interior design, product design, and construction have successful persons in the CAD field who do not have a degree. These CAD professionals hone their knowledge and create documents showcasing their work and showing their skills in their proficient use of CAD to the customers and their employers. We'll be looking now at the at a job description sample for a CAD engineer. All employers have a different job description, but in the information in the next slide, I will give you an idea of what the employers are looking for when they're hiring CAD engineers. So let's look at the job summary. The design and execution of large engineering systems are your main job responsibilities as a CAD engineer at this company. Your main role as a CAD engineer is to make precise drawings, workflow diagrams, and modeling of products or buildings in a 3D representation form using computer aided design, also called CAD software. You will work with mechanical and electrical department members to develop creative products and projects. So we're still on the job description sample for a CAD engineer, and we will continue. Another job description when they're hiring CAD engineers is your accuracy in the detailed design requirements and your ability to create innovative designs from design concepts is essential to the job. We're continuing now and we're looking at the job description sample for a CAD engineer. We're now looking at now the roles and responsibilities for the CAD engineer. So his first duty is to make 2D and 3D designs using the CAD software, including CAD models and schematic creations that meet the project requirements, making sure that the solutions are exact to meet the requirements and are in compliance with the project needs. Another duty and responsibility is you will work with the mechanical and the electrical department members to develop creative products and projects. Your accuracy in the detailed design requirements and your ability to create innovative designs from the design concepts is essential to the job. All right, continue with the duties and responsibilities, looking under the job description sample for a CAD engineer. Another one is helping in the making and testing of prototypes, making adjustments based on feedback, and testing the results that were obtained. Full documentation, including material bills, design requirements, and changing engineering orders are all also job responsibilities and duties. Another one is to do reviews of design and testing to solve and find issues in the design, ensuring that safety and performance are maintained. Another requirement, and we're now looking at the requirements and qualifications. What are the qualifications that are needed to become a CAD engineer? So you need an engineering degree or a degree in a related field like architecture or computer science. We're continuing with the requirements and qualifications that a CAD engineer would need. You would need extensive experience in AutoCAD or and other related software that produces digital drawings. Another requirements and qualification specification, proven ability to make 2D and 3D drawings using the CAD software. Requirements and qualifications containing a strong understanding of engineering principles, materials, and process manufacturing. Another requirement and qualification is a keen sense of accuracy for design and implementation. Another one is the ability to work with the mechanical and electrical department members to develop creative products and projects. Another requirement is excellent written and oral skills in communication. Thank you for joining our video entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer. We hope that the information was beneficial to you, and certainly we at CAD with Mr. Hugh, we want to present to you the possibilities that are available for the AutoCAD profession. And we thank you for joining us today. And in the next video, we'll be looking at building drawing. We hope to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. So take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.